Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am so excited. We are doing another little luxury unboxing, and this time it is from my travels in Paris. I will be posting a full travel vlog as well as a shopping vlog and kind of detailing how I came to purchase this item. I also have another very exciting luxury unboxing coming up as well, so be on the lookout for that one. It is so cool and I literally can't believe I'm going to be filming it. It's literally a dream come true, so look out for that video. But anyways, before we get into the full luxury unboxing, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so what we are unboxing today is a little item from Dior, and this bag is so cute. Of course, I had to travel with it all the way from Paris, and it actually has their little 30 on the door. So if you guys didn't know, Dior's flagship store is in Paris, and it's at 30 Montagne? I don't know how to say it. But it is the address that it's at. That is their flagship store. So naturally, while I was in Paris, I had to visit and get something. I think that is just so cool, getting Dior in an iconic Dior store in Paris. And this box also has, if you look on the inside, there is the address. You can see it on both sides, so it's here. And then we also have it on the inside here. And yeah, I just think this is so special and just really cool, you know? Like, why not? You're in Paris, go check out the Dior store. And the handles on this one also have some like gold woven in them as well. This little star, I don't even know, charm on the box is super cute. This is definitely going to be going up here somewhere eventually. But yeah, I just think it's so special to be getting something from that iconic flagship store. So without further ado though, I'll go ahead and start unboxing it. So we got some Dior tissue paper. No, really, I think this does say, yeah, this has like very subtle, I don't even know if you'll be able to see that, Dior's on the tissue paper. So that's fun, little branded tissue paper moment. We love it. And then my little box, so cute. The little Dior box. Here is the little close-up of the box. So cute. Has the little Dior logo on it as well as on the little ribbon. So pretty, so cute. I feel like these luxury unboxings, like these boxes are just too pretty to open. Like I feel wrong opening these boxes, but you know I'm gonna do it anyways. All right, so I'll go ahead. Oh, I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. Okay, I'll go ahead and start unboxing it. Ooh, the little ribbon is off, and this is so cute. I love the little Dior ribbon. I feel like I can put it in my hair. So cute. Okay, down to business. We've got the box. It has been unwrapped, and now I'll go ahead and open it up. I got it. All right. Oh, okay, I literally don't know what this is gonna look like because I've never opened it before. So here is a close-up on the inside of the box. We got some Dior branded sticker as well as the more of that Dior tissue paper. So cute, very thoughtful. Every little piece matters. Go ahead and I really don't want to rip the sticker. It's so nice. Taking a while because I really don't want to rip this. It's just too pretty. Okay, go ahead and fold that back. Fold this one. And we got the little dust bag for my item. Also has, looks like a little care card, care instructions, also a little bit of a history lesson. So also a little bit of a history on their costume jewelry. Super cute little card here. All right, and the moment you've probably all been waiting for, good things come in small little packages, so I'll go ahead and show you what I got. And these are so cute. Alright, here they are. So I got these cute little CD earrings. Alright, so hopefully you can see. These are the little earrings that I got. So they have the little C and D on them. Super, super cute. And I just loved how simple and sleek this design was. They're just very dainty, and I'm definitely into more like simple, dainty jewelry. So I thought these were perfect. They did have them in a couple different sizes. I just went with this more small size because I think it just looks better on my ear, honestly. So I'll go ahead and show you guys them on. So here is one of them on. Alright, so stinking cute. Like, oh, they're so pretty. Okay, let me put the other one on. And these earrings honestly have been kind of on my list of things that I really, really wanted and was like looking into. And so when I knew we were going to Paris, I know that they have the exchange rate and the tax savings and all of that. So definitely it was the best time for me to purchase them and actually like save money on it. And also the fact that I got to purchase them at the iconic flagship store, like even better. So yeah, this is them on, and I just think they're so cute and just very elegant and dainty, and definitely like a nice everyday earring. You can just wear these all the time and they're just so pretty, and it just goes with everything. I also liked how they had like the little like crystally, sparkly, like diamond, not really diamond parts of them. They do have just like plain gold or plain silver, but I feel like the little sparkle kind of adds a little bit to them. So I think they're so cute. I love them so much. Probably not gonna take them off now. But yeah, so this is what I got from the iconic Dior store in Paris. So yeah, that is my full unboxing and I guess try on of this luxury jewelry from the iconic flagship Dior store in Paris. Like I said, I do have a full travel vlog coming out as well as a shopping vlog giving you guys all the background on how I came to purchase these, how we got there, all that good stuff. And yeah, if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury jewelry unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, let me know in the comments. I know there is this like new Dior show about the creator, Mr. Christian Dior. So let me know in the comments if you guys have been watching that. I have not watched it yet, but I feel like now that I've been there, I kind of have to watch it. I love the history of things, so I feel like it'd be really interesting. So let me know if you guys have been watching that Dior show. Is it any good? Leave it in the comments. Anyways, if you enjoyed this style video, little luxury jewelry unboxing, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really, really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.